The wild swings in the stock market continue. Overall, stocks are down for the past 6 weeks, but there have been some pop-up rallies. Pro trader Brian Stutland, the founder of Equity Arm Investments, is here to get our day going. Brian, what's your take on this market action?
Well, I think when you look at the markets over like the last month and a half, and all the data that's come in, and all the inflation worries that are out there, there are a lot of similarities to the early 70s and what happened. And in that type of market environment where the Federal Reserve was a little slow to act on inflation, what you'd get were tons of rallies in the market, but they ended up being bear market rallies and just opportunities to be sold. And it would seem like then the next sell-off that would come would be harder than the next. So it was the early 70s was just a slow decline in the market with lots of rallies, but these were bear market rallies. And we're seeing a lot of the same things happen in the market in April and May, where you get these 2 or 3% rallies. Are we finally going to start moving higher in stocks? And then what happens? It's met with some more selling. So I think until we clear hurdles on this whole inflation gauge and start to see that come down, we're going to continue to see these kind of rallies and then big sell-offs in the market and a slow drift lower until valuations get down to levels that we've maybe seen, let's say 10 or even 20 years ago. I think that's where the market is trying to go to. So it's either going to be a couple of earnings cycles or it's going to be valuations just come down naturally because stock prices come down.
Thank you for all that great commentary, Brian.
Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.